Hi there, and thank you for stopping by. We're two art students that are proud to introduce to you our first proper interactive work of art. It's called There Are Always Two Sides to Every Single Story. It's a crafty looking installation put together using processing, a flexible software used to program and animate all sorts of images. It was made at the University of Malaga and specifically built as a requested project for a subject named Electronic Technology for Artistic Usage. The authors are Irene López, my classmate, and myself, Macarena Gómez. Attending to some of the fan art created as a tribute to David Fincher's Fight Club, my partner and I decided it would be quite interesting to develop the same visual effect using processing and a webcam to make clones out of our own caption in a red or bluish tint. By decreasing the opacity of each image, we would make it seem like a ghostly reincarnation of our bad side and our good side. Other than this, the negative value of the x variable would allow us to flip around one of the images caught by the cam on the x-axis, making it seem like we were actually staring at a reflection of ourselves in a mirror. To take this whole idea one step further and turn the optical illusion we created into an automatic mechanism, we downloaded an external library for processing called OpenCV, which would allow the effect to activate or deactivate itself according to the number of faces spotted by the camera. Also, the original code used to run the sketch was modified by creating virtual boundaries for one image or the other to exhibit itself upon screen with the map function. Mapping the distances measured from where the viewer should stand all the way up to the monitor and crossing a middle point that would determine the shift of one image to the other would finally enable us to adjust the visuals of the screen to the back and forth movement of the person interacting with the webcam. Therefore, the closer you got to the screen, the closer you got to see the badass you. To elevate our work of art to a standard human height and take it to an installation-like format, we place the computer's monitor on a beautiful white pedestal, crowning it with a hand-painted golden frame that would help the crowd associate it with a real mirror. Looking forward to back up the meaningful content behind our project, we smashed a couple of mirrors in small pieces and stuck each one of them on the base, right underneath where the frame sat. Trying to make it obvious, we were talking about how the conventional perception we have of ourselves when we look into a mirror is in fact not genuine at all.